My name is Waheed. I am the managing director for Consult to Manage. We help businesses with ERP, CRM, and incorporating AI into their existing ERPs and CRM systems. So, today, the topic we will be discussing is customizing dashboards in Zoho CRM. So, before we even get started on this discussion, the most important part is why dashboards and reports are important, and it's a very no-brainer for everyone that why they are important because they gives you the metric to grow your business. They gives you the sense of understanding where your business is, at what stage of the pipeline it is, and to what extent you can expand the business, and what decisions you can make to get to the stage where you can grow your business or make more intuitive or intense decisions. Okay, so in today's topic, we will be discussing different factors that are involved, the strategies that are involved, and some of the use cases that we have built or done in customizing the dashboards for Zoho CRM. And it doesn't incorporate Zoho Analytics at all. It just focuses on the base foundational model of the CRM itself and what CRM gives out of the box solution for dashboards and reports, and how you can, if you have, what are the tips and tricks and things like that. And this live series that we have started, we have made few changes as well, and I hope you will like it. So once this recording or the live is done, we will publish this recording onto our YouTube and to other sources, and along with this recording we'll give you some free resources like checklist, tips and tricks on how or things that you need to be aware of, and how to create dashboard and reports within Zoho CRM, and most importantly the task list as like a blueprint to get, for you to get started on creating a dashboard for yourself or for your team member, or if we get onboarded on any of your projects to create dashboards or reports for you in Zoho, we use that blueprint to define what end-to-end process of how we will be managing that project for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what I would do is I will just share my screen with you and let's go. Okay, first thing first, customizing Zoho CRM dashboards, best practices for data driven decisions. Okay, so the table of content as a standard procedure, an overview of consult to manage, creating dashboards in Zoho CRM, creating dashboards in Zoho Analytics, tips for effective dashboard design, checklists for creating and customizing reports and dashboards in Zoho, planning and report creation, dashboard setup and customization, sharing, optimization, and final checks, Zoho reporting and dashboard hacks, Zoho CRM reports, dashboards, limitations, flow diagram structure for Zoho CRM dashboard.